Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel Chronicles of Friends. Today I'm showing you some simple DIY Eid cards that you can try with your friends. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's start. Take an A5 card sheet and use a wrapping sheet. Cut a rectangle out of that wrapping sheet. I have printed these eidmubarak logos, so I have cut out one of them. Now paste these on top of each other. Decorate it with some diamond tea stickers. And inside paste an Eid Mubarak text. And you're done. Take an A5 card sheet and use these craft foam sheets. Draw a heart on one of them, on all of them, and cut them out like this. Now place these hearts on your card in rainbow form. Paste them like this. Now use matching markers to draw a rainbow. Use diamond tea stickers and paste them at the end of the rainbow like this. Write Eid Mubarak on the bottom of the card. Take an A5 colored card sheet and use a sticky note to make an envelope. Fold it like this and glue the sides of it. I'm using these chocolate coin wrappers to make them look like coins. And now I will paste all of them like this and finish it with a lovely message. Take an A5 card sheet and cut the two slits on both of the sides. Now pass this craft yarn through one of the slit like this. Use washi tape and stick it like this to make a bunting. You can use different color of washi tapes alternatively like this and cut these like this and use two tassels on the each side and write Eid Mubarak on it. Tie the thread and secure it with the scotch tape and you're done. Now take an A5 card sheet and use a rectangle of another wrapping sheet. You can use any color of your choice. Now take this crafting ribbon and cut it in 5 pieces. You can cut different length pieces. Take a sticker sheet and draw some stars and crescent at the back and cut them out. Now secure these slits at the back with scotch tape like this. Turn it over and paste it on the card. and use these stickers at the end of each string to make a design like hanging crescent and stars. So your card will look like this. Now paste an Eid Mubarak text at the bottom. Write Eid Mubarak inside and you're done. For this card I'm using a mini figure, a craft foam figure, and I'm using some craft foam balloons and an Eid Mubarak logo like this. I will draw them like balloons and will attach the strings in the hand of this minifigure, like it is holding the balloons. Take this sheet and I'm using this wrapping sheet. Fold it from one side and draw a window shaped like mihrab. Cut this window out. Now use this cutout window to trace on your card. And in this window you can paint, you can use paint, you can use colors, markers, crayons, whatever you like, and paint it like the sky between night and sunset, like this, and finish it off with a crescent moon, like this. Write Eid Mubarak inside